Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make stylized selfies and portraits using Midjourney AI. So, creating stylized selfies and portraits with Midjourney is a really easy and simple process. First things first, find a selfie which you'd like to stylize. For the purposes of this video, I'll be using this one. So, navigate to your Midjourney bot channel and make sure that Nichi version 5 is the one that's selected. Use the describe command to automatically generate a description for your image. Simply type /describe in the channel and hit enter. Midjourney will then prompt you to upload an image, so upload a selfie of your choice. Press enter, and Midjourney will use an AI algorithm to generate descriptions for your uploaded selfie. Once you have your descriptions for your selfie, feel free to generate images using the said AI descriptions. Underneath the descriptions, you'll see numbered buttons. Each button will correspond to its respective description. So go ahead and click the generate button, and a prompt will appear for confirmation. Oh, do note though to add the -- style expressive at the end of your prompt to create the expressive Nichi style. After generating image grids for each description, make sure to select and upscale the images that you wish to use. Feel free to save these upscaled images wherever you wish on your computer. Feel free to click the web button, and when the pop-up appears, click on Yes. This will open the image in a browser. Feel free to also right-click on the image and choose Save Image As to download the image this way. Now that we've saved the generated Nichi images, feel free to use the blend command along with the original selfie. Just type /bend in the channel and press enter. In the first image box, upload your original selfie. And on the second image box, upload the Nichi generated image along with the description. Press enter, and Midjourney will merge or blend the two images together to create a personalized, stylized selfie. Feel free to use these steps for every selfie you wish to stylize. You can even use different subjects or any other photos as you wish. And that's really all there is to creating your own stylized selfies and portraits using Midjourney AI. Feel free to comment down below any questions or inquiries you may have. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.